So welcome to Tech News Friday for March 14th, 2025. So in this episode, the Google Pixel 9a leaks are all over the place. Look like Google can't keep anything a secret. We gotta talk about it. Next, what the hell going on with Apple? As we see all this marketing hype about Apple Intelligence and Siri 2.0, but unfortunately, it's been delayed. What's going on? I'm going to give you my thoughts because it's a mess. And lastly, it's with all the AI features on the latest Samsung devices, which is really good. But there's a catch. These features may turn into a paid subscription. That's right. Get ready to spend some money on Samsung AI. And that's unfortunate. We got to talk about it. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech News Friday. So the hottest news of the week, that's right, hot news, baby, is the Google Pixel 9a. And as you know, the internet always deliver the goods when it comes down to posting secrets. So I've seen leaked videos and photos of this device. It's pretty much posted all over the place, days before the actual release. Now, let's talk about the specs a little bit, because this is important, right? The Pixel 9a, a mid-ranger, supposed to have a 6.28-inch Full HD 120 Hz display. It's going to be rocking a Tensor G4 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. On the back, we got dual cameras, which consist of a 48 megapixel main and a 13 megapixel ultra wide. Now in the front, you're going to get a 13 megapixel camera. Now, Samsung, take some notes. Samsung, a mid-ranger. The Pixel 9a, a mid-ranger, supposed to have a 5100 milliamp battery. That's right, Samsung, take notes. All right, the Pixel 9a looking good for a mid-range device. Now it's going to have IP68 rating, Android 15 to boot, 7 years of update. Now the release date is going to be March 19th or the 20th. I believe it's going to be March 19th. Now as far as the price, reports have this device at about $499. Hopefully the price will stay the same because we're hearing a lot of things going up. Hopefully Google will have this price at $499. Man, Apple, take notes, $499. Keep on rolling, Google. The Pixel 9a look good, it's priced good, and it's spec good. Let me know down in the comments what's your thoughts about the Pixel 9a. Okay, so we got to talk about it. Welcome to the Apple shit show of 2025. So back in 2024, Apple was marketing this groundbreaking AI they call Apple Intelligence. We saw the commercials. We saw all the AI goodness, which made a lot of people buy into the iPhone 16 series of devices. Well, unfortunately, it's reports that's out saying that Apple won't even release all the software, right? I mean, think about it. Throughout the whole 2024, we're supposed to be getting these groundbreaking features, this groundbreaking AI, Siri 2.0, but it's not going to happen because Apple is delaying it, possibly to 2026 after the iPhone 17 being released. This is a nightmare, right? Think about it. Is there any reason to buy iPhone 16 knowing that all the coverage, all the commercials talked about Apple Intelligence, but it's not here? But we did get a few feature updates with the iPhone, which is, some of the writing tools and notification summaries. We did get ChatGPT integration with the current Siri, but it's not that great. We did get Gemojis. We got that. We did get some AI generated images. But that's about it. It kind of suck. So listen, did you buy an iPhone 16 based off of all the hype of the groundbreaking features of AI Apple Intelligence? Because right now it is being delayed. Look, Apple has been inconsistent. I mean, God, they're looking like Samsung right now. And it's crazy how Samsung can't release updates and Apple can't be trusted. Man, both companies is not looking good right now. What's your thoughts? I'm gonna keep you posted on this debacle. So welcome to part 2 of the shit show. So Samsung AI has been very good. I've been using the Galaxy S25 Ultra and it's been a very good experience. AI has been very good on this device, which I believe Samsung AI has the best features in the game. It has good features such as Note Assist, Circle to Search, Live Translate, and more. Well, as you know, Samsung, along with Apple, is always on some BS by not telling their users, right, that this feature is free up until the end of 2025. That's right. You got less than 9 months to use all these features before it's unavailable for free. So it's stated in small print on their website, something that you probably would never catch. So check this out. We are in March of 2025 as of me recording this video. There's no information on how much Samsung AI will cost. And if the user have an opportunity to opt in or opt out, what does that mean? Are the devices going to forcibly remove these features? Or if you try to use the AI features, would you get a notification telling you that this feature is unavailable because you don't have the premium service? This is crazy, man. Like, this is insane. I just don't understand that, right? We are in the AI world, and for Samsung to charge you, the user, to use AI features on a device that was already on the device, and now all of a sudden they want you to pay for those features, it's simply nuts. Listen, as we prepare for the future, I believe these companies just don't care about their users. I mean, it kind of shows us that Apple and Samsung right now is on some BS. Let me know down in the comments below. Did you know that at the end of 2025, all these AI features will be a premium service? It's right there on their website, small print. And we don't even know the pricing and details about this. I mean, what they gonna do? Remove these features with a software update? I mean, if you try to use Circle to Search, is that going to be a premium service that you have to opt in and pay for as a subscription? This is crazy. Let me know down in the comments. I will keep you posted with all pricing and details because this simply sucks. So if you like Tech News Friday, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about Tech News Friday in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.